to open a toy for Coleen Faith. So, makikita nyo doon sa previous video namin na nanggaling kami sa Shell Residences. So, after namin mag-check out, doon pumunta kami sa Mall of Asia and finulfill yung wish ni Coleen Faith kahit na wala namang okasyon para sa kanya.
Wish?
Yes, that's a wish. Kasi dumaan yung Mother's Day and yung birthday ni Daddy. And siya yung wish ng makeup toy. Kasi nga, gustong-gusto niya talagang laruin yung makeup ko, which is hindi pwede. So, might as well, naghanap kami sa Toy Kingdom, sa Mall of Asia ng makeup toy. And luckily, meron kami nakita. Are you excited? You want to put makeup on your face? Huh? Really? You put makeup on Mama's face again?
No.
No?
Ngayon, ikaw doon.
I have my own makeup. Okay, so guys, papakita namin sa'yo kung ano yung nabili namin. This is not a sponsored video, hindi naman siya ganun kamahalan. So,
No, look.
yes. It's super pretty, like, it's super pretty. Gusto ko din siyang gamitin. This one! Winx Club Dazzling Fairy Dust Set. And meron na siyang madaming options na pwede gamitin. May mga lipsticks, eyeshadows, nandito din yung pang-apply. Meron din for nails. Lalagay natin yan sa kami ni Coleen. And something, shimmering something. Basta, yun, meron din dito. Siguro ano to, highlight. So, ayan, nandyan siya. And it's a butterfly. Kasi nga Winx Club, darling. So, yeah. And i-open siya ni Coleen Faith kasi nga gustong-gusto niya na talaga tong buksan. Sabi ko pagising niya lang. But now, she's awake. So, open niya na to. Are you excited? By the way guys, it's 549 pesos and 75. What? From Toy Kingdom. So, just in case yung mga kids nyo gusto ng ganitong kasing laruan. Kasi, I think tumingin na kami nito before sa Toy Kingdom sa SM Aura. Wala kami nakita. But, dun sa MOA meron. Actually, may mas cheaper pa dito. Pero parang kaunti lang yung options na pwedeng malaro ni Coleen. So, eto, madaming options. And parang nagiging one butterfly bag siya. So, makikita natin mamaya pag nabuksan na. Okay, let's go to the opening of this toy. Put makeup on her.
Oh, mayroon ikaw. Wow! Wow!
Excited girl. Diba? Isa nga siyang buo. Wait lang, balik natin sa kanya. So, ayan. One butterfly toy. Tapos, if you wanted to use it, ayan lang. Yan. Swatch natin. Tingnan natin kung match. Nakita.
It's mine.
Yes, this is yours. Oh, this is yours. Oh, how are you going to use that? This one first. Like it, this one. What color do you like? Ano ilalagay natin sa pencil? What do you want? What? Choose. Purple. Oh, this one Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Oh, you put on. You put that on your eyes. This one, yeah. Another one. lipstick. Kasi may lipstick.
Okay na po. Here.
Oh, yan. You put lipstick on your lips. Let me see. Ayan. Ay, meron na. Meron. Ganun. Ganun lang. Are you happy?
Yes.
One more. Let's put some. This one, violet.
Wait.
And let's put this on your lips. No? You don't like? You already have one? Okay, what else? Let's put nails. Okay, nails. May nakakabit na.
You Daddy.
Ganda.
Let's go na. Let's go to Lola's house. You bring this. Pakita mo sa kanila, baby. So, ayun na nga guys. Na-try na namin yung toy ni Coleen. And this is the output. Yes. We put eyeshadows and shimmering something on her eyes. And also the lips. Look at the lips. Yes. So guys, if you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel as well as the bell notification bell so that you'll be notified as well in case may ma-upload kami na videos. Thank you so much for watching. Till our next vlog.
Yes, adore you all of the time. I like to